5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
Welcome to Los Santos Air.
Come on, get out the car.
Is a place I'd dearly love to be. But all my exes live in Texas, and that's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. I remember that old Brazos River where I learned to swim. It brings to mind another time where I wore my welcome fin. By transcendental meditation, I go there each night. I always come back to myself long before daylight. 'Cause all my exes live in Texas, and Texas is a place I dearly love to be. All my exes live in Texas, and that's why I hang my hat in Tennessee.
All my exes are 6 feet under the ground. That's the difference. I ain't never been divorced, just frequently widowed. I have a lot of black clothes. Food at funerals is great, and I get shit-faced every time.
Tennessee.
K-Rose, because if you spend more time with farm animals than your wife, you'll have a lonely heart and a nasty infection.
You keep it locked on this station, honey, or your mama Mary Beth will give you a spanking that'll knock you out of your boots.
Always wanting you, but never having you makes it hard to face tomorrow, 'cause I know I'll wake up wanting you again. Always loving you, but never touching you. Sometimes hurts me almost more than I understand. I'd been better off if I turned away, never looked at you the second time. 'Cause I really had my life all together till your eyes met mine. And there I saw a yearning and a feeling cross the room that you felt for me. Wish I'd had a way of knowing the things we had in mind could never be. Always wanting you, but never having you makes it hard to face tomorrow, 'cause I know I'll wake up wanting you again.
Oh, what you doing? My wheels!
song he was singing when he went swimming in the lake, carrying a big old weight around his neck?
All more than I can stand.
I miss little Vincent so much. He loved to play baseball. I was driving him to practice. I guess I was busy making eyes at the guy driving next to me. I didn't notice he was sticking his head out the window, his blonde hair blowing in the wind.
Honey, Vincent's hair was black.
That's not the point. We're lucky he was adopted, so we just got another. It's my life, and I don't want to forget anything.
Documenting every moment of life is very important. Take plenty of pictures of your wife. You never know when she might leave you for another man. It's important to document your happiness while it lasts. And use Vakari Film. When your son wins the game, when your daughter gets herpes. Vakari Film. Memories are forever. Sort of.
It's me, the country music diva, Mary Beth Maybell.
Crazy for feeling